In this video, I'll show you how to see deleted or edited messages on Discord. First, it's important to understand that Discord does not officially allow users to view deleted messages. Once a message is deleted, it's removed from the platform and cannot be recovered through normal Discord features. However, if you manage a server, you can track edited and deleted messages using moderation bots. Bots like MEE6, Dyno, or Carlbot can log message activity. To do this, invite the bot to your server and enable message logging in its dashboard. Next, create a log channel where the bot will send updates. Once logging is enabled, the bot will automatically record deleted messages and show both the original and edited versions when changes are made. Keep in mind that these logs only work after the bot is installed. They cannot recover messages that were deleted before logging was enabled. Also, avoid using unofficial tools or client modifications that claim to show deleted messages, as they may violate Discord's terms and put your account at risk. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.